Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I set up a bar puller in our HAAS CNC lathe. So we have a total of 3 CNC lathes, and 2 of them have the bar pusher. This one did have one, but at the time I wasn't working at the shop and something happened to it and they purchased a bar puller. Now the bar puller is made by a company called Dunham. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm going to put some pictures throughout my rambling on. And it has the size of 1/4 inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. And you're going to see in the video that the kit that it comes with, the adapter with like 1 1/8 bar puller attached, and then there's another picture coming up with just the adapter and showing you that all they do is thread on. So now you're going to see in this first clip, or I should say this first picture, I have like a stop lock with the bar coming out. This is a new bar and it's sticking out 1/2 inch. And from there, my program, it's gonna keep looping. The bar puller is gonna come up, grab this piece, then the jaws are gonna open up. It's gonna pull it out the desired distance that I want it to do. The jaws are gonna close. The bar puller is gonna get out of the way and then retract home. So I just wanted to show you the codes that I use to make this happen. Now, this could vary from machines. This is primarily HAAS specific. And this is an older lathe. This is like 20 years old. Okay, so here we are. Let me talk you through this screen real quick and give you an explanation of these are all the codes that I used for the bar puller. G57, that's just what I called the bar puller itself, and you can name it anything you want. I just called it that. So right now this bar puller is in tool 5 or tool pocket 5. So you have to call it T5 offset 5, which is 05. M19 R50. I did that so I can get the tooling to fit between the jaws when the bar puller is coming up, because it's kind of close, as you can see in my notes. But first, I'm going to wrap it 1 inch in front of the part. Make sure I'm in inches per minute, which is G98. Then I'm going to wrap it down to X0 point. I'm going to have it sit there for 1/2 second. Then it's going to feed into 2/100ths of an inch in front of the part at 60 inches a minute. Then it's going to feed in 3/8 of an inch or 0.375, 20 inches a minute. I don't like to hammer on it too fast. That's pretty safe. I'm going to have it sit there at G4 P1. That's a dwell. So that's going to sit there for 1 second. Then the 3-jaw chuck's going to open up. Now I'm doing an incremental code, which is a W code, which works on your Z-axis. It's going 1.8 inches. It's pulling it out at 30 inches a minute. The M10 is the next line, which closes the 3-jaw chuck. I'm going to have it sit there for 1 second on the G4 P1. Then another incremental code of 2 inches, which is W2.0. So, I mean, that's just for make sure there's enough clearance. You can make that, whatever you're comfortable with. And I'm doing 50 inches a minute just to get out of there. And then it's going to wrap it to X14, which is almost home on the X-axis. Then we got the tool 5 cancel, which is T500. And then M01, which is an optional, I can't talk.
What?
Optional stop, which I put after every tool call. So when you're doing setup, you can just hit optional stop and you can visually see what's happening. Okay, so let's watch it in real time, and I'll shut up for a minute. You can watch it, then I'm going to do it in slow motion, talk you through it, and then we'll be, and then we'll finish up. Okay, so here we are. Now we're going to slow everything down, and as you can see, the turret's coming around. It's 205 call. It just did the M19R50, so the tooling can fit between. We're wrapping down the X0, and it's going to dwell for half a second, feed up to 200 thousandths in front of the part. Now we're feeding in 3/8 of an inch, dwell, unclamp, pulling the part out, 30 inches a minute. Obviously it looks really slow here. And now that it's closing with the M10, dwell for 1 second, come 2 inches away, and then we're going to wrap it X14, and tool cancel will be coming up right here, and then that's that. Okay, that's going to do it. So if you found this to be helpful and informative, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so that's going to do it. I'm going to, somewhere in the end of this video, put the bar feed video, so you can look at that and check that out. Thanks again for watching, and I'm going to see you real soon in my next video.